In Jannah, there's no more fasting. In Jannah, there's no more salah. In Jannah, there's no more wudu. In Jannah, there's no more worship. Nothing. You never have to do anything ever again. In paradise, my brothers and my sisters, time will no longer exist. Allah says in Jannah, خَالِدِينَ فِيهَا أَبَدًا. In Jannah, my brother and my sister, you will live therein forever. No fear of death. In Jannah, you will never grow old. In Jannah, my brothers and sisters, you will be the age of about 33 years old. And in Jannah, you will be as tall as your father Adam, about 30 meters high. In Jannah, my brothers and sisters, you will never have to go to the toilet ever again. In Jannah, you will never get sick. In Jannah, you will never get tired. In Jannah, you will never sleep. It's just pure and pure and pure happiness for eternity, forever. This is the prize that Allah has prepared. But my brothers and sisters, wallahi, if that is what you desire, then you have to work for it.